Now we talked about PSP, and this PSP and TSP go hand in hand. So we are talking about team software process. PSP is about personal or single individual practitioner or manager. But when we talk about TSP, we are talking about whole team. There can be multiple teams or there can be single team working on a project, right? So whatever we are going to talk about, just assume it to be pertaining to all of the team. So goal of the TSP is to build a self-directed project team. Self-directed means the project team will decide what to do, how to organize, how to plan, because they have to produce a high quality software. In waterfall, we know what to do. In spiral, we know what to do. But here, the team will decide. So Humphrey, he gave certain objectives of this TSP. First, the thing we started is self-directed. So the first thing is to build self-directed team that will plan and track their work. They will establish the goals and own their processes and plans because it's teamwork. The team. So this can be a pure software team. It can be software along with some other team, integrated product team. So 3 to 20 engineers. This is what Humphrey has suggested. And this shows, because manager have to guide. First of all, you have to coach and motivate and teach your team. That is how to get the peak performance. You need coach for your hockey team, for your cricket team. That's how. And how to accelerate, how to do the software improvement so that the company or the organization or the team achieves the CMM level 5. We'll talk about this CMM. There are different levels: initial, managed, defined, quantitatively managed, and optimizing. So this is the optimizing level we are talking about, because we want the high maturity organization of level 5. So these are the objectives of TSP, team software processes, because all is done to improve the product. Because he also suggested that this can also be given in the university level. So it will facilitate university teaching of industrial grade team skills. Okay. So TSP we talked about. The self-directed team is the core, and when the team is by itself self-directed, it has all the idea of what is their goal and what do they want to achieve, objectives. So this TSP is highly dependent on PSP, and PSP corresponds to TSP. So the team being formed by the individuals, they have to have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve. What are their goals and objectives? So this self-directed team will define the role and responsibility of each single team member. It will track the quantitative project data about productivity and quality. That is, I'm not just talking about project. We are talking about quantitative data of the project. Okay. And it will identify team process, because the project can have multiple processes. What is the best process will follow and how to implement it. It also defines the local standard applicable to the team software engineering work. That is, what other standards we can apply. And then the risk assessment and how to react, how to minimize this risk or to completely, get rid of that risk. So finally, the whole idea is to track, manage and report the project status. So TSP also defines certain framework activity: project launch, high-level design, implementation, integration, test and postmortem. The postmortem is all about process improvement, that CMM we talked about. This is TSP. So TSP uses what? It uses a wide variety of the script, the forms and the standard, because there have to be certain criteria, the way, standards to guide the team. Because this is the standard we have to follow. These are the script. This is the form we have to follow. So script is all about a specific project activity. That when will be the project will launch, what will be the design, how we are going to implement it, integration, system testing, and the postmortem. This will be there in the script. And script will also contain various work functions, detailed, that is, what will be the development planning, what is the requirement development, if some changes there are software configuration management, and the unit testing. So TSP is all about how the team will be self-directed. Okay, the best team will be best team which is self-directed. The team members, they will set their own objective. We will try to adapt the process to meet their need, control and project schedule. And this is done through measurement and all the analysis of the metrics which are being collected. That is why we have to talk about PSP also here. And then we will want to improve the team approach, because this is all about putting the software engineering in place to get a good product.